Why is God delaying? Can I tell you why? Because delays is God's instrument to mold your character. It is God's ways of transforming your character. And let me repeat, God will sacrifice your character, your comfort, for the sake of eternal good. So, what must you do? Wait for the Lord. Be strong. Let your heart take courage. Yes, wait for the Lord. Waiting. David learned to wait. God promised him, you will be king. But he did not become king. Can I tell you why? Because God's plan is, David, I need to mature you. A teenager cannot become a king. That will be disaster. You need to learn what is the meaning of justice. You need to go through hardship. You need to go through a lot of spiritual training.